Hello there and welcome. My name's Suzanne from Nonstop Papercrafts. Thank you for joining me again on my channel. Okay, so today's video I am using washi and trying to see how I can use washi tape in some of my crafts. Now I showed off these large rolls, so they're very tall as you can see. I showed these off, I think it was back in July when I received them from a company called Craspire. I'll put all their information down below. And the links to these particular washies if you're interested. Also, if you order from them, there is a code that you can use where you can even get a discount, so I'll make sure that's in the description as well below. But the company is called Craspire, and they just had this most beautiful washi tape, so I ordered some, and like I said, I did show it off back in July, but I literally have no idea where August went. It's just been so busy. I've been desperate to get on and do some projects with them, but yeah, here we are. And yeah, I just want to show off the washies again. So this one I absolutely love because I love that it's got lots of little quotes on it, so you can either use this as a strip, or you can cut out the individual little rectangles and use them to decorate your pages. They're just absolutely gorgeous, and this one I quite liked because it's all like different note papers. So again, you can use this as a strip in your journal, or you can tear around or cut them up, which I quite liked. And then the last one, oh, that's a cut off, let's take that out of the way. The last one, again, I liked all of the kind of typewriter font on here, and again, very kind of officey and notes, that kind of thing. So yeah, just some really beautiful washes. And what I really like about these, now normally I don't like when you've got that sticker backing, like when it's the smaller rolls, I don't like that, but on these larger ones I must say it has come in handy, especially if, like I said, you wanted to tear bits up and cut just certain sections out, because I can cut strips off, which is what I've already been doing. So I can cut strips off and then I can obviously use what I need to use, and the rest can be put away. So it's worked out quite nicely. So here I've got a couple of spares as well. I'm not wasting anything, so I really like that. So it's really handy that it has got that backing paper on. Now, I have been after tall washi like this for a long time because I do think it's really good for different projects. And today I am just making some very quick and easy tags. Now, for these tags I used this washi tape. Okay, so you can see that bit there is here on this tag. I just used that washi tape, and all I did was on a small piece of card, so I think this is A5, so half of an A4. I just put the strip along the bottom, and then using a tag die that I have, I just went through and I cut out 3 different tag sizes, as you can see. And now on their own they're very beautiful, so you could quite easily put a piece of string in there, you've got your journaling space on the back, and you could be done. This one I did decorate up a little bit more, so that's the front with, like I say, just a sheet of washi on there. And then on the back I've put some book page down the sides. I've then used some of these ones, so as I said, I've cut out little bits, so I've actually used those 2 pieces. So I've got that one up there and that one there, and then I've got another die cut that's an envelope, so I've just put that on there. And then there's a teeny little piece of tea dyed paper in there as well, just to add some more decoration, and then just some simple twine at the top. And yeah, just a nice simple tag, but yeah, just looks so lovely, I think, with these bits of washi tape. And one thing I also found out, so on this one, where obviously you've got a large piece here where you could possibly write on, you can write on this and it doesn't smudge and it doesn't come off. I did do a tester, so that's another thing that I really like about these, is that I can use them in my journals or maybe on the back of the tags, and you can write on them. So this one, for instance, it's still plain a bit down the bottom, so you could write notes down here at the bottom. You could put a date in there if you wish to, and then write some notes on the back. I'd love that, yeah, this is patterned, but yeah, still able to write on it. So I was just going to go through and decorate a couple more tags with you. So like I said, I've used this one just to use a strip across, then I've used my die to cut out my 2 tag shapes, And then like this one, I'm just going to decorate the back a little bit. So I'm just going to move that one out of the way because we've used that one. And then let's have a look. So you're more pinky, so I think I might still use my purple on the other side. You've got blues, so I can use blues on you. And then you're going to have the texty one. Right, so let's start off with this one then. So I am leaving the front as it is because, like I said, I quite like that. It's nicely decorated without me having to do really anything else to it. Now I could, of course, use the same washi tape on the back, but I wanted to just have a little bit of a play with some of these. Now I really like those two pieces joined together, so let's cut those off. And let's try and, oh actually, can I tear? Am I going to be trusted to tear down here? So this is another thing I quite like about this washi tape, is it's nice and easy to tear. It's not a struggle. And if, like me, you quite like that torn look, then yeah, this works really, really well. Right, do I want that bit as well? No. So let's come up here. There we go. And then, like I said, because it's got that sticker back, I can kind of put that to one side and use that for something else, which I really, really like. I don't, like I say, when it's smaller rolls, I'm not really a fan of it. But when it's a big roll like this and it's got lots of elements that you can kind of choose from, then yeah, it makes sense to have that backing. Yeah, I must say I have been really, really pleased. I have bought other things from this company, which I did show, like I say, in a video back in July. And I can't believe it's taken me so long to be able to use their products and really show them off. I did in my Jane Austen journal use some of the wax seals that I got from the company, but I actually forgot to mention them in the video. So I will do another one where I show you the wax seals that I got. I think they are predominantly a wax seal company. I think that's where they started, but then they do have other stationery items as well. So things like washi tapes and things like that. So right, so that's that roughly torn out. And I know it doesn't quite fit, that's fine. We can trim around the edges where we need to. Could also pop that one on there, couldn't we? Let's tear that one. Oh, actually, let's try and have a different colour. So what have we got? Yellows and blues. Let's have a look. Oh, actually, we could do that. We could put that over that one, couldn't we? Overlap a little bit. So I'm just going to tear this one. Like I said, you can absolutely cut around them. They are quite transparent. I did try doing one on a black card, but as you can see, it doesn't really show up very well because obviously where they are quite transparent, you can see the difference. It didn't come up very well, which is why I've been doing it now on the white card. But yeah. Okay, so that's roughly torn, and like I said, it doesn't matter because it does obviously look quite clear when it's on there. So I'm going to layer those up, and then I'm going to have my envelope on there as well. So let's put this on there. Now again, you can of course ink around the edges if that's something you like. I do like inking, but I don't think it's always necessary on all of my projects, so I'm not going to this time. But as I say, if you want to, by all means. And I'll cut off all the extra bits in a moment that I need to. Yeah, another thing that I quite like is I'm normally a bit of a nightmare with stickers. It takes me a long time to kind of peel them off. And now that I'm saying that this is normally really easy to peel off, I'm struggling. Nope, there we go, got it. Yeah, no, normally I have to speed up my videos when I'm trying to peel away because it's just not working. But yeah, these I have found peel quite nicely. I'll move that over slightly. Yeah, these peel quite nicely, so I quite like that. Right, and then my little envelope. So I think these are so cute. These are a little envelope die that I bought from AliExpress. But they're just so cute. Look at that little envelope. Really, really cute. So all I'm going to do is just glue that down. So just a bit of glue stick down the sides. And there's my little envelope. Okay, and then that I'm going to stick on there, but I might have it open. Maybe if I lift that, I might have it open, and there may be one of these quotes coming out of the top. Yeah, I like that. So let's just glue the back down. Pop that on there. You can hang over the side a little bit. And then let's choose one of these. So there are, yeah, so many on here which are just lovely. Maybe that one because it's out the top, so I can have it tucking in a little bit, can't I? So let's do that one. And again, having that sticker backing makes this now so easy because I can easily just chomp out the little bit that I need. It's on a sticker backing, which makes it easy as well. And then, oops, have I just stuck everything down? I think I have. There we go. And that can go in there. So again, just peel off the edge. Oops. And then I'm just going to gently tuck that in there. There we go. Right, let's trim those edges. Okay, so that's it decorated. So on the front, like I said, I'm keeping it plain. I don't want to mess around with that too much. Like I said, I can put a date on there. I can make a little note there. I can, of course, obviously write down here if I wanted to. Yeah, or you can just leave it as a decoration, something to look at. Then snip off a bit more twine. And we've got that. So there we go, 2 tags done. Let's do one more. Okay, so let's have a look for this one. I think this one I might have writing space, so I'm going to pop this one on, I think. Yeah, so let's cut this. It is going to be overhanging, but that's fine. We can again just trim off the bits we don't need. So I'm just going to tear along the top and the bottom, and then okay, like that. And then, like I said, it is going to be overhanging either side. That's fine because I can just trim that off. But this one's really nice because, like I said, great big writing space, so nice and easy. And like I said, pen does work on here. I have tried well, I tried a fine liner pen. I assume other pens work as well. I might have to do a little tester actually. I'll do that in a minute. So let's try and get that writing roughly in the middle. Okay, so that looks quite nice. And I don't think I'll put an envelope on this one. I think I might just leave that as is. Right, let's chop off the edges. Okay, so that one, like I say, super simple. Hasn't taken me very long at all. That one's just a sheet of washi, that one's just a piece of washi. But yeah, I like that obviously you've got the torn edges. Like I said, you can write on these, so you've got some writing space there. Again, just needs a piece of twine. And what I love about these is, like I said, you can decorate them as much as you like or as little as you like. You didn't have to put anything on the back, like I said, because it's plain. You can just do that straight away. So just to show you, these are the tags that we've just created. So this is from one strip of washi tape, and then on the back you can keep it as simple as you like, just maybe having an extra piece of washi or no washi if you want to keep it completely plain on the back. Or like these, I've just played around with the elements from the other two washi tapes and some book page, and created just some fun bits on the back as well. So it's entirely up to you how much or how little you decorate. Just to prove that you can write on these, I did do a little bit of a tester. So here's my tester, noted by me. As you can see, it doesn't smudge or rub or anything. And all I did was use these two pens. So a fine liner for the top one, and then the purple writing is just from one of these multicoloured pens that you can buy. So you can absolutely write on this washi tape. It writes perfectly well. And like I said, it's not smudging or coming off at all. As I said, if you are interested in these gorgeous washi tapes, I'll just give you another look at them. So they are absolutely beautiful. You can get them from a company called Craspire. They are based in China. I know some people worry about ordering from China because it takes forever and an age to arrive. I think I said in my last video that it only took just over 10 days, I think it was. I think it was 10 days from the moment they shipped to it arriving here in the UK. So I think that's pretty good actually, considering. And as I say, if you do place an order with them, make sure that you take advantage of the discount code that I have, which I will put down below. Like I said, they do lots of gorgeous stuff, so you can get the massive washi tape that I've got here. They do have obviously other styles and designs as well in this size, plus lots of other washi tapes. But they particularly specialise in wax seals and the actual wax that you can use for that. So I have ordered some wax seals, and I have got other washi tape that I ordered from them as well, but I will show those off in a future video. Well, thank you very much for watching. I hope I have given you some inspiration of different ways that you can use your washi tape. Working with this size is absolutely excellent for a project like this because it's nice and quick and easy. If you would like to see more crafty videos and you're not already a subscriber, please make sure you click that subscribe button, and make sure that you click the bell so that you're notified of when new videos are released. You can find me on other social media platforms such as Facebook and Instagram. Those links will be down below, as well as ways to support this channel. Once again, thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful crafty day. See you later. Bye bye.